Folding down the second row seats can easily be done through the back here if you can reach. So along the top, you're just going to lift and push. You might have to fiddle with it a little bit depending on how tight that seatbelt is, but there's a good amount of space inside of this ride. And the cargo measurements that you're looking at, specifically behind the first row seats, are going from right where the liftgate would close to just in behind that armrest between the first row seats when it's moved forward as far as it can go. Because that console can also be slid backwards or forwards. So with it as far forward, good amount of space, and then you'd lose or gain a few extra inches depending on how far forward or backward those seats are. The second row seats don't fold completely flat, but if you have some heavy weight on there, you'll be able to weigh them down no problem. If you need to fold down the second row seats and you don't need to get into the trunk, it's straightforward. So you just grab that same lever along the top in order to be able to fold it down,